the ganjas out there. Hi, beautiful ganjas. I hope you guys had a good and happy holiday. The year has passed now and we're into our new one. And we are back. I'm back, you're back, and Temu's back. Anyway, I thank you for stopping by and clicking and hitting that subscribe button and like and share. I really appreciate it. That if you like my content, if you like my humor, which I probably don't even know, my crazy melon was, those are my dogs, my shenanigan and the shenanigan, the mayhem and the hot mess that comes in between, then I would really appreciate it if you stick around and subscribe. Anyway, today we're gonna have a short Temu haul. I want to say short because I can't find half the thing. You know, if you see the last one, I had this big haul of Temu haul, and I'm still trying to get through that. But now I'm trying to put things away, and I can't find where the things I put. So I am just going to go with what I have in here. All right, well, let's get started. Look at this pink dress, skirt. Isn't it? You know, this is the second time I try to do this video, right? Because my light fell on me. Yes, ma'am. I tell you, shenanigan always happening. But look at this skirt. It's pretty. It's soft. It has a shirt to match it. You can loosen it up. It goes around your neck, and you can tighten it up and put a bow to match the skirt. And there's the end part of it, you know, to match the skirt. It's really cute. And here's the sleeves. So I'm gonna wear it and take pictures. I'll stay for that. I will probably attach it to this video if I can. But you know, I'm not so good with doing video yet. I wish my children could help me, but they're not inclined to help me since they're too busy. And they're not here, they're not home. So, you do what you gotta do, right? Look at this sweater dress. It's a turtleneck, it's white, it's really soft. I'm glad. It's long sleeve. It's plain, it's just white. But you know, you can dress it up with belts and stuff like that. You know, you could put a scarf, you could wear knee-high boots, or one of those ankle boots that are really nice looking. So this is really long. I don't know if it's gonna shrink, but I hope it doesn't shrink that much. But I like the material. It's soft. And then I have this blue one. This one is really soft. Oh, this is the bottom part. Imagine it. This one is a V style. It looks like a wraparound style, but it's not. See, and it has a belt. And here's the bottom. It has a little scallop bottom, whatever you want to call it. I really like this one. I can't wait to try this clothes on. Oh, I am wearing a Temu shirt. It's like a sweatshirt type, but it's knitted. And I put a Temu shirt underneath. And I got my Temu earrings and my Temu hat. I'm all Temu'd out. Oh yes. All right. Now, then there's my pajama. Yes, girl. I got crazy with the clothing. Oh, look at that. I like the end scallop. And it has a bow. And it has a matching top. It's long sleeve. You like that one? It's really nice. Thank God the material is not that plasticky type or harsh. You know what I mean? What I'm talking about, like when you buy clothes, sometimes they're like really stiff. And then I got this one. It's a pillowcase. You know, you can put it outside or your family room. It's like a burlap feeling type, but I thought it's really cute. I wish they had it in pink. Yes, I'm still trying to redo this room to make it to pink. So you can see I've started already, but I have not finished yet. Eventually I will get done with this thing. And here's the gloves. It goes all the way to your elbow, and it's really nice. I like the way it feels. It's really cute. I have pink and purple. I got one for my mom because she likes purple, but I got one for myself because I also like the purple design. So I got that one, and I got a pink one. Do you like that one? It's really nice. Now, I don't know if I've shown this, but you know, I like boxing. I have a pink boxing bag in my porch. I box. So, trying to get this pink boxing gloves from Temu. I got one in my car. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. It is so cute. So I bought like 3 because I like it. I used to have a small one, a small pink one, but you know, they're kind of like old now because they've been in my car for so long. I'm sure the sun had faded. But they were not as big as this. This one's big. But yes, man. These are my boxing gloves. I really think that's really, really cute. And this one right here. Hold on. Oh, I have a gold one. This is like a wine bottle gift thing, but this is a small one. But it's so cute. You can use it, you know, for like next year, I guess, because it came kind of late. It's a wine bottle. Then I have this one. I don't know if I could get this one because it's stuck over here. Hold on a second. And this one right here, so I like the gold. Now this one you can use, besides the wine, you can use it for like a gift bag because it is closed in the bottom. So it didn't come on time, so I guess I'm gonna get to use it next year. Why not? And I got this one for my car. Because my car is turning into pink. Or over here at my glam room. I'm gonna keep this there probably. I'm gonna order another one because this one is bling bling. Do you like that one? I really like that one. So I'm gonna have to. And for you, this is another buy. You guys probably seen this before, but this is my purple rosary. I have a pink one that you can put in your car. It's a smaller one, but this one I think is like the regular rosary style. It looks bigger, so I'm thinking it's a big rosary. I got it for my mom, and probably Don't worry, my dog is getting crazy again. So yeah, that's a rosary, a purple one. They have other color like red and pink, but the one that I got that's pink is kind of small, and I think it's for your car because I think that's what it says. So I like that one. And this one right here is my initial. It's for a wine. I don't know, can you see it? It's just my initial. It goes with your wine or whatever you want to put it. Your cup, you know, your drinking cup, your ice cup or coffee cup. I got that one. And I got this socks. It's so bright. Let's see if this is a compression socks, by the way. Yes, it's a compression socks. But you could also use it when you want to paint your nails. Like me, I don't like taking my socks off because it feels like my feet gets dry. So I ordered this actually so when I need some relief, because I do have a sensory disorder, neuropathy. It's not really a neuropathy, it's actually an injury to my nerves. So it makes my nerves a little bit more sensitive to things when I put something tight like shoes, so I need sometimes take it off and put something that makes it relax. But anyway, this is it. This is a compression socks really, and you can get your toes out so you don't feel too trapped. It feels good, it's soft. The compression is just right when I put my hand to it, so you might like it. But they come in different colors, and I think sizes too. I think this might be large, yes, so I picked a large one. Yeah, I think I picked a large one. Now this is right here is for my car. This is for your tire, okay? It lights up. Now ask me why I would buy this thing. Somebody's probably gonna steal it in my car. It's like a air cap, you know, your tire cap. You change it. Right now I have a pink one in there, but this one will light up when you drive. So we'll see how long would that last before somebody tried to steal it. Oh, look at these fancy nails. Uh-huh. Look at that. Now I don't put that much nails on my finger, but I do like to wear them once in a while. There you go. That's so cute. Oh, look at this bunch of rings. It matches my blue necklace that I got from Temu as well. It's blue. I mean, the rest are like silver, but they come in different sizes. And then it's one of those things where you can like put all your finger. You can put rings on all your fingers, or just wear them whenever you different style. Wait, what's that one? Here's the other one, the other rings, it's blue as well. But this one, most of them are blue. I can't wait to wear them with my blue dress, right? Or my jeans. I like that one. And here's more. Oh my god, I guess I got into the blue thing. Blue rings. different style. I think I got them because I have a blue necklace. And look at these lashes. How cool is that? Right? I need to put away all this stuff so I can find my stuff. Because I can't find anything anymore. They're buried in my Temu. I like that one. I should try that one. And this is right here is a butterfly. It's actually an anklet. Put it in your ankles. Butterfly. And I got a silver one as well. It's good. Hopefully it won't discolor my leg. You know, sometimes you get in the water, that thing gets wet and then it discolors or sweat. That's the only thing that I don't like about this, you know. This one are my nose ring. How pretty. There's fume there. Yeah, those are my nose ring. I like them. Also, I could put them probably on my cartilage. I'm not sure if it holds the cartilage, but I think you can. It might be for a cartilage. It might not be my nose ring because it looks really small. And you know, my nose ring is not. Yeah, this might be for the cartilage. I'm gonna have to open it and try it. And this one right here, you know, I need to have scissors in here. But for some reason, I didn't. Hold on a second. And this one is for your ear side drain, you know, when you put it like this. Oh, I might have it backwards. Yeah, I think I have it backwards because it's supposed to sit right there. I'm not sure. But it's supposed to do that. Huh. I'm gonna have to try it on. Oh, I see it. It clips into your ear. This one right here, see how my finger goes? That's what you do, you clip it goes into your ear. That's what it is. I see. Oh, let's fix that hat. So that's what it is. My jewelry back. Let's see what else I have here. Oh no! Look, my cat fell from the box. My happy cat. Yes. You know, a cat is considered good luck in Asia. Thumbnail. Okay, well, that's my happy cat. It's gonna go there. Don't you where it took a dive? Oh, this one right here is like, it lights up your car. You know, you put it in backward and this one right here will light up. I want to take it out because it's really small. I might lose it and just see a mess I have here. But yeah, you put in your car and that part right here, or right here, will light up. So I got a few of these. I ordered a few. See how it was and see what light it comes from. I'm not sure if there's another one, but you can't really see this one. But I wonder if it changes to different colors. I gotta see that. I gotta try this on my car. You know, I have so many things I need to try in my car. But then again, I was looking for this thing that has my stuff on my car and I put it somewhere and now I can't find it. Maybe I thrown it away. Oh my God. That would not be good. Anyway. Maybe I could put another card for my car again. Alright? I'm always putting a part for my car and then I always lose it. That's my problem. Oh, and I have this cap for my car too, and this is like, and I think this one glows in the dark. Yes, the one I have now is pink, but it doesn't glow in the dark. This one glows in the dark. It has that little thing in the top. See? It'll glow in the dark. So that's a cap for my car, for my tire. Oh, this one is a keychain holder. Isn't that cute? It's a keychain holder with a heart. I don't know what was I thinking, because I'll probably put it in my bag. One of my bag. You know what I mean? As a decoration. But I would not use that as a chain, because that thing would not last. It would just like... Oh. Somebody's out there. My dogs are barking. And this I will put in my car. It's like a decal. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna put it in the back of my window. I like this thing. I have another one. That's just a decal. I got 3 of those things or 4. Oh, I have another wine bottle. Oh, another wine bottle. So I got the gold one, and now this is like the white one. I like the sequins. It's really nice. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, another one. Another wine bottle. Jeez, how many did I buy? And they didn't even come on fine. No, another one. Ah, look at this. Makeup. I'm going to try this one. Sorry, probably trying to bite my... Hold on a second, guys. I should have opened this already. The chocolate vault. Excuse me. The chocolate vault. Let's see what they got. Oh my God, look how pretty. I like that color. Oh my God. I can't wait to try it on. So that was called the chocolate vault. 42 colors. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, and these are for my car as well. My decal. if you know why I like, if you want to know why I like the angel and devil, I have a tattoo that in my back, my shoulder, and that was my very first tattoo. And it was a devil and an angel, and it says perfect match. And it what creates me. There's a little bit of angel and a little bit of devilish in me. So I like the angel and the devil. And I thought they're so cute. I'm gonna put them in my car. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, and this one right here, you know, is for your sink. I got 2 of these. I don't know why I got. Let's put it in my. You can put it in your, you know, your bathroom or like a shower. Like if you have a sponge that you need, you know, and you don't want to just like leave it hanging anywhere, just put this in the shower or the kitchen. I'm sure this is made for the kitchen, but this is like pink. I got one. Oh, it's ready in my sink. It's really good. And I got this one. It is a USB power adapter. Oh, it's purple. Look at that. Oh. Somebody's on my roof, I think. You like that? I like that. I like the color. I don't know what this is. My dogs are going crazy. Oh, look, my happy cat. How cute. It's a solar. So you gotta put her out. And then she'll move her hand. Isn't that cute? She's so adorable. Let's see, is that it? Oh, why am I not surprised? I have all this wine bag. I think I was going to use it for a gift bag, and it didn't come on time. That's why I have so many of these. And this right here is the last one, I think. I don't know. It's for my car. If you see my last haul, I have one that matches it for my seatbelt that goes around your seatbelt. This is that one that goes around your car, your wheel. So I'm gonna put it on today and see if it works and see how it works. So I hope you like my haul today. I was a little bit of everything. Pardon my mess. I am trying to get through my mess over here. And I hope that you guys have a good day, good night, and good morning. Be safe. Stay gorgeous. Life is short. Drink wine. And I'll talk to you the next flip. Bye.